Hi, this is Basil with Hestan. I'm here to talk to you about the outdoor living suites. We do them in 8 feet and we do them in 12 feet. What you're looking at in front of you is the 12-foot outdoor living suite. This unit is pre-wired from the inside. We have 2 GFIs. One is up here at the top, give you 2 electrical outlets at the top. Those control those outlets. The second is over at the other end and controls the appliances on this end. The nice thing about this also is a pre-plumbed kit that takes the gas line from the side burner, brings it over to the gas grill, it connects to the gas grill, it tees off of that, it comes down, and then there's one gas connection. In the 12-foot island, you get a 42-inch grill, you get 42-inch combo cabinets that can fit into that unit, double side burner, 16-inch double drawers, the trash chute, the trash and recycle center, and the 24-inch refrigerator unit, where we can either cut the dispenser hole for you, or we can leave it flat with the stainless steel. Now, we can also do this with stainless steel top, or we can do it without, for those people that want their own countertop. And we can also do it with the raised bar and without. But I want to show you the single gas and electrical connection and where that is. Just by removing this panel, you can see all the electricals right there. This is where the second GFI is. This is the transformer for the grill. And back here is where that raised bar is. And again, we do it with 8-foot, 12-foot, with and without the stainless steel tops, and with and without the raised bar. And that's the outdoor living suite from Hestan.